Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Marhaban. My sisters and brothers, last time we were discussing about the tanween. Tanween, the two fatha, two kathra and two dhamma. And tanween is the gunna. And gunna, hidden sound in the nose. Like that, in, un. And now inshallah we will start the new lesson. That is the combination of the fatha and tanween. Now we get start. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Hamza fatha a, ba fatha ba, aba, dal to fatha dan, abadan. And if we read in the rest condition, abada, the two fatha in the last will be changed into the one fatha or alif. Hamza fatha a, next one. Hamza fatha a, ha fatha ha, aha, dal to dhammadun, ahadun, ahad. Hamza fatha a, kha fatha kha, akha, zal fatha za, akhadha, akhadh. Hamza fatha a, zal kathra zi, adi, nun fatha na, adina, adin. Hamza fatha a, mim fatha ma, ama, ra fatha ra, amara, amar. Hamza fatha a, nun fatha alif na, ana. Ba fatha ba, kha kathra khi, bathi. Lam fatha la, bathila, bathil. Ba fatha ba, ra fatha ra, bara. Ra fatha ra, barara, ta to kathratin, bararatin, bararah. The round ta will be changed into the ha in the rest condition. Bararah, bararatin, bararah. Jim fatha ja, ain fatha a, ja'a, lam fatha la, ja'ala, ja'al. Jim fatha ja, mim fatha ma, jama, ain fatha a, jama'a, jama'. Ha fatha ha, ha fatha ha, sin fatha sa, hasa, dal fatha da, hasada, hasad. Ha fatha ha, shin fatha sha, hasha, ra fatha ra, hashara, hashar. Kha fatha kha, shin kathra shi, khashi, ya fatha ya, khashiya, khashi. Kha fatha kha, lam fatha la, khala. Qaf fatha qa, khalaqa, khalaq. Kha dhamma khu, lam kathra li, khuli. Qaf fatha qa, khuliqa, khuliq. Zal fatha dha, kaf fatha ka, dhaka. Ra fatha ra, dhakara, dhakar. Ra fatha ra, fa fatha fa, rafa. Ain fatha a, rafa'a, rafa'. Ra fatha ra, qaf fatha qa, raqa, ba fatha ba, raqaba, ta to kathratin, raqabatin, raqabah. Sin dhamma su, ra dhamma ru, suru, ra to dhamma run, sururun, surur. Sin fatha sa, fa fatha fa, safa, ra fatha ra, safara, ta to kathratin, safaratin, safarah. Swad dhamma su, ha dhamma hu, suhu, fa to fatha, fan, suhufan, suhufa. Waw fatha wa, sin fatha sa, wasa, ta to fatha, alif tan, wasaqan, wasaqa. Qa fatha qa, ba fatha ba, qaba, kaf to kathra qin, qabaqin, qabaq. Qa fatha qa, ba fatha ba, qaba. Qaf to fatha alif qan, tabaqan, tabaqa. Ta dhamma tu, waw to fatha wan, tuwan, tuwa. Ain fatha a, ba fatha ba, aba. Sin fatha sa, abasa, abas. Ain fatha a, dal fatha da, ada. Lam fatha la, adala, adal. Ain fatha a, lam fatha la, ala, qaf to kathra qin, alaqin, alaq. Ain fatha a, mim fatha ma, ama, dal to kathra din, amadin, amad. Ain kathra i, nun fatha na, ina, ba to fatha alif ban, inaban, inaba. That's enough. Inshallah we will complete this lesson, and the next lesson in the next class inshallah. Ma'as salama ila al-liqa wa da'an. Have a nice day. Jazakallah.